Hold all my calls. Cancel all my appointments. A very important call. I gotta take it. From Michael Cohen.
I really gotta say,
But Cohen, you're on my side.
this probe won't go away.
I thought you were on my side.
This job has been
hoping you kept it
Oh
in.
gosh, I'm tired.
That's okay, cause you're
The
fired.
American public is getting suspicious.
Fake news, they're
You
vicious.
should have gave Stormy more.
What for? She's a
The
whore.
CIA won't just scurry.
Seriously, I got more
Well,
money.
maybe just a little bit more.
Just put your offer at the door.
What will the FBI think?
You'll just do 3 years.
Gosh, I need a drink.
When you're out, I'll buy you a beer.
I want to get out. This job is hell.
I'll pay your grandkids' tuition as well.
I ought to say no.
How about I buy you a boat?
At least I can sail till I die.
Come on, toughen up. Toughen up. Come
I
on.
really gotta
Come on, you gotta step it up. Cause you're
I'm
dealing with the FBI. Come on, Cohen. Cohen, you gotta toughen up.
Come on. Tough it up. You gotta tough it up. Tough it up, Cohen.